Have you ever made labaneh from scratch? It literally takes 2 ingredients, almost no effort, but the result is thick, it's creamy, and a spread that is actually so good with warm bread. Let me show you how. Start with 1 kilo of plain yogurt. I always use pot set yogurt because it gives you a creamier labaneh and a better yield than something like Greek yogurt. Pour it into a muslin cloth or cheese bag. Add about 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of salt depending on how salty you like it. Give it a good stir and sit the cloth in a sieve over a bowl, making sure the bottom of the cloth isn't sitting in the way, otherwise it won't drain properly. Tie it up and leave it in the fridge to drain for 24 hours. If you like your labaneh extra thick, leave it for up to 48 hours. The longer it drains, the thicker and tangier your labaneh will become. The whey will drip into the bowl and what's left behind is beautifully thick labaneh. Don't throw away the whey. It's great for baking or adding into soups. Traditionally, we spread the labaneh onto a shallow plate. I always like to sprinkle over a little za'atar, and we always drizzle generously with a good quality extra virgin olive oil. It's perfect with fresh bread, olives, sliced cucumbers and tomatoes, and a must on every breakfast table. If you've never made labaneh before, this is your sign to give it a go.